Every summer, the island of Sodor is very busy. Holidaymakers love to sightsee, and when the weather is fine, there is no better place to visit. Some people like to go to the mountains. Others like the valleys.
Hi there, folks. It's just Sonic the Hedgehog and Tails the Fox.
So far, so good. Hey, that's...
Buddy, Robotnik brought the battle droids to the woods. We gotta stop him. He was about to invade Sodor. And to make matters worse, he was about to invade the railroad.
Later, Percy saw Harold. Sorry, Percy. Can't talk. I'm on high alert. Why? Bad weather's due. My help's always needed. Mind how you go, Percy. Ha! Huffed Percy. As long as I've got rails to run on, I can go anywhere in any weather anyhow. Goodbye.
So, my massively metacarpal friend, you mentioned ultimate power.
It does not concern you. I got you off that planet and you brought me to the Hedgehog. We have no more use for each other.
Well, I hate to be a contrarian, but I think we might.
Commander.
Yes, sir.
Process them.
Captain, take them to Camp 4. Roger, roger.
After them! Hang on!
Percy struggled on past coastal villages and into the countryside. I wish I could see, complained Percy as he battled against the rain. More trouble lay ahead. Oh, hissed Percy, the water is sloshing my fire. Percy's driver and fireman had to find some more firewood.
It is none of your business. I am taking my buddy to the tree village.
Where are you taking that?
To the tree village. The tree village.
That doesn't compute. You're under arrest.
Well, so everything. As Gordon approached the new station, Gordon was still going too fast. The driver applied to his brakes. Sir Topham Hatt spoke to him. Gordon, why did you stop? Please, said Gordon. Don't make me crash again. You will do what's in the script, said Sir Topham Hatt.
That's a right triangle, you idiot!
Fuck you, Topham Hatt, sighed Gordon.
Go before I tear you apart!
Oh, no! No, wait! Wait, stop!
Something thudded onto Percy's boiler. Ow! Exclaimed Percy. He needn't throw things. It's a parachute, laughed his driver. Harold's dropping hot drinks for us. Thank you, Harold, whistled Percy. Good to be of service, replied Harold and buzzed away. I promised, he panted. I promised. He made one more big effort, and at last, exhausted but triumphant, he brought the train home. Well done, Percy, cheered Thomas.
Now that's what I call an adventure.
I just hope he comes.
Somehow, I get the feeling he will.
Sir Topham had arrived in Harold. First he thanked the men, then Percy. Harold told me you were a wizard. He said he can beat you at some things, but not at being a submarine. I don't know what you two get up to sometimes, but I do know that you're a really useful engine. Oh, sir, whispered Percy happily.